Exercise 9.3 of chapter 9 algebraic expression. It's a question number 1. We are given here carry out the multiplication of the given expression. Okay. In the first we are given here 4p, comma we are given 2 plus. Okay. Now you can see here this is also algebraic expression. This is also algebraic expression. As we know that here this algebraic expression is having only one term or a single term. So this is monomial, and here this expression is having two terms. One is q and another is r. So this is called binomial. It means by two terms. Okay. So here we are going to multiply monomial with binomial. Monomial with binomial we are going to multiply. So how to go with that? Let's see. Equal to sign compulsory to write. 4p multiply by, because of this binomial we are having, so we need to write it in a bracket always, beta. Okay, so we need to write, you need to write it here 2 plus r like that. Okay, now as the multiplying one by one with this, first with this, second time this with this. So what do we have first time? 4p multiply by q, and then plus sign is there, and 4p multiplied by r. Means whatever the binomial we are given, one by one we are multiplying the terms present outside the bracket. So what will be the multiplication of 4p into q? Of course it will be 4p plus 4p into r. It means 4pr. Right? This is the first. Now we'll work out on second. Second, we are given AB, comma A minus B. Now again you can observe here, AB is a single term, we call it monomial, and this is having two terms, so it is binomial. So again we are multiplying monomial with binomial. So we need to mention here AB, and in bracket here A minus B, and between that we need to write multiply. So individually if we work out upon this, then this, what do we have? AB into A minus AB into B. Once again look at your screen, AB into A minus AB into B. Yeah. So what will be the multiplication of this? So we know A into A. A into A gives the result A square. A square B minus. Here B into B two times, so it will AB square. So this is the second answer. Okay. Now work out upon third. Okay. This is our second result. Now we are going to work out on third. Let's see how to go with that. So third is, we are given in the question, I am writing the third. A plus B, and here 7a square b square. Okay, this is the question. Now observe carefully. Here this first expression is having two terms. Okay, it has two terms, so that is binomial, and here 7a square b square is itself a single term, so it is monomial. So I am writing this monomial here in the beginning. Into, in bracket I need to write this a plus b here. Nothing I have done. I wrote this monomial here, and whatever the binomial term I wrote it that side. Okay. Now as usual we know we need to multiply. So we are multiplying this full term with a first and second time with b. So our expression will become 7a square b square. It will be multiplied by a, fine, plus 7a square b square. It will be multiplied by b this time. Fine. So what will be the simplification? Let's work out upon that. So here it is 7 a square into a. It gives the result a cube, and this is b square, plus 7 a square is there, b square into b square into b, it gives the result b cube. Here a square into a is a cube, and this is b square, plus 7 a square is there, b square into b gives the result b cube. So this is the simple simplification. Now we are going to multiply what we are given in fourth. Let's see, a square minus 9 comma 4a. Again you can see here in this equation, sorry, in this question, this is binomial and this is monomial. So let me write the monomial term first. So 4a will be here into, in bracket, this is binomial a square minus 9. So let's multiply. We need to multiply 4a into a square first minus 4a into 9. Here, so what do we have here? First, let's see, 4a into a square. A into a square gives the result a cube, because here nothing means always consider 1. 1 plus 2 gives the result 3. And here 4 9 ja. 4 into 9, it gives the result 4 9 ja 36, and here it is 8. Clear to you? Now let's work out on the fifth. What we are given in the fifth question? PQ plus QR plus RP comma 0. It means that the first what we are given is having three terms. Let's calculate how. This is first term, second term, third term. Dear student, please remember always this 1, 2, 3 terms, they are. These terms, how we calculate? Always count the terms with the, it separates with the plus or minus sign. Okay. So this is first term, second term, third term. So this is actually the example of trinomial. So PQ plus QR, let me write it in bracket, plus RP multiply by 0. We are multiplying with 0. Now as we know that when we multiply individually, if I ask you multiply PQ with 0 first, then QR with 0 and RP with 0. Individually, we need to multiply with 0. Then finally, what will be the answer of mine? So it will be 0 plus 0 plus 0. The answer will be 0. Because we know that any number or any variable, when it multiplied 0, it gives the result 0. When any variable multiplied by 0, it gives the result 0. So here also 0. So all the way the answer will be 0. So this is the complete exam question number 1 solution of exercise 9.2.